Hey beauty, I got a video for this look. Hello guys, let's get ready with me. I'm just done putting my skincare, my sunscreen. So what I'm gonna do now is to start on my eyes. Okay, I got this Benefit, this kind, like an angle to for my eyebrows. Okay, I get my mirror here so I can see clearly. Okay, I want the 5 times. Just light. I don't need too much, dark eyebrows. I don't like intense looking eyebrow. See, it's built in. Whatever mess, you can wipe it with the Q-tips underneath this. Or you can do it later when you're done. When you look at in the mirror that it looks not even and looks messy. And then to the other side. Oh, see, I carried away because I was looking farther. I should look at this mirror right here. Okay, that's good enough. I'm gonna put a little bit to make it even the other side. Okay, that's enough. And then I'm gonna get the spoolie. Okay, I'm just gonna use this one just to brush it up. And then later on, I'm not done yet. After I finish everything on my face, I'm using my Benefit Brow Gel. This is gonna be a long video, guys. I hope you keep watching while you're washing your dishes, folding your clothes, and everything. Okay, so I'm done so far in that part. Now, I'm gonna use my Touch-Up Primer. This time, I'm gonna use the Touch-Up Primer. This is good enough. Just this part, you don't have to go all over your face. Just the T-zone of your face. When you use primer, you need to leave it for a while before you start putting your foundation. Since I'm still gonna work on my eye, I have to apply this so it will stay a little bit longer. I already primed my eyes with concealer and the powder. Okay, so now I'm gonna grab my makeup. This up so don't fall. I'm gonna use my hourglass and then my Makeup by Mario eyeshadow, because this is like a simple looking neutral color, but looks so nice. Look at that color story right there. Oh. So I'm gonna start on the crest. Okay, I'm gonna start with this light color. Oh, this one, like this color. You don't have to dip it so hard. Just to build up, keep building up. So you guys, if you have any techniques or you can share too, and if anything like any question, you can comment below. And if you want live doing get ready for me, you can request if you want, so everyone will be get ready and have fun. This is just for fun, okay? Fun to make you more presentable. Let's put that way. Okay, next, I'm gonna use my this is my Sigma brush. That was a Charlotte Tilbury. I always use that for the crest because it's big, easy to blend. So this time, I'm gonna use this not so dark brown on the outer, like 1/3, just for adding dimension. Okay, just like that, simple. Before, I have really feeling to to put eyeshadow, but I don't know how to start. And since I start, I feel like I don't wanna stop. What the heck? Why is that? Okay, and that's it. Every day when I get ready for work, it's like I get finish my eye look. It's like 10 minutes or less because I just do quick, but this time I'm talking. Okay, there you go. It's better, right? Okay, so next I'm gonna do the shimmer. So I'm gonna use this one since there's like a gold or the golden color in this palette. Let's try. Oh yeah. This is one of my special eyeshadow palette. Oh, I feel like look at that shimmer. You guys notice your eyes is different in the other eye? They are sisters, but not they're sisters, they're cousin, but not twin. But even twin, though, they don't look alike, actually. It's just a bigger space. So, guys, see, that's easy. Simple look. A little bit sparkle on your eyes. That makes your day. Okay, and then I'm gonna add this on the inner. This is like a grease sparkle. I'm using my small flat brush just to perfect for the inner, because I want it like make it even. So there you go. It looks nice. Oh, I like this. This is my like Sunday look, because I don't want to look like I'm going to the party. But still a little bit sparkle though, but it's okay. It's not very intense color. It's not a pop color, so that's what I like to use. Okay, I'm pretty much done on my eyes. What I'm gonna do, whatever I put on the top, I apply it to the bottom, guys. So what I'm gonna use a small angle brush just to line my bottom. I'm gonna start with the darker one, what I use on the outer corner. So this one right here, just dip it light, and then just put this here. Okay, not all the way towards the inner, just halfway. And then what I'm gonna use the other one brush. This is like this kind. I'm gonna use the one I use first, this one, the transition color, just to blend it around those darker one. Okay. I'm just enjoying, playing my makeup. And why not? Okay, in my spare time. So I'm pretty much done. Okay, so what I'm gonna go next is to curl my eyelash. I'm gonna use this mirror here. I don't put my mascara yet until the last part, because I'm still gonna use the powder. I don't want the powder on my lashes, on the top of mascara. It looks messy. I don't have like long lashes, but that's good enough. I don't want that though. I don't want a fake one. I never start. Maybe one day, you don't know. Everything will change. Everything, like we can explore more. And why not? If you want to try, there's nothing wrong with that to try. It's not a bad thing. Okay. Okay, that's good enough. So now I'm gonna proceed on my face. This time I'm using my NARS. This is a good NARS foundation. It makes you glow. Okay. I just gonna put this in here. 2 pump is good enough. Okay, let's try 2 pump. And then I'm gonna add with my luminous soap, this Giorgio Armani. This is like a highlighter, but not really intense highlighter, soft. So I just wanna add 1 pump on it. Okay, that's good. This is like watery. It's not thick. So just gathered it on my face first. Okay. Put my sleeve. Okay, I'm using my It Cosmetics brush, foundation brush. Okay, I'm gonna blend it. This is not a full coverage. It is light to medium. Okay, so it's so glowy, right? Oh, so luminosity. You can see from within. Alright, guys. Oh, look at that. What do you guys think? See the transformation of makeup. Oh, look at that. I like it. Okay. So that's so quick. blend. Easy to blend. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this sponge just to tap whatever like excess product. I want it make it even more. Just tap it like that. There's no need to be tapped so hard. Just make it even onto your skin. Oh, look at this. Oh, I like that. Okay, this time I'm gonna put this away first. My brushes, so I don't be scattered here in front of me. Let's put it away. I'm done with my eyes. So I'm gonna use my Lagana bronzer NARS. Okay, this one here, right here. I'm gonna use my brush. I got this concealer brush. I have to line first and then blend it with my other brush. Oh, let's add more. Okay, in here. This is easy to blend, guys. This is one of my special too. I have Charlotte's already. I didn't open it yet. Okay, I'm gonna blend it. See, that's easy to blend. Oh, look at that. Just give dimension to your face like a contour. Contouring, as you can see, your cheekbone, emphasize. Okay. This brush is only next. Since I start, I use like a cheaper one, but this is very comfortable. It's so soft, so I like it. That's why I keep using it. Because once I feel it's like hard, I don't like it because it's gonna poke on your skin. It's not feels good. So I'm done with that one. Now I'm gonna use my blush. Since today is a special, okay, I'm gonna use my Gucci one. Here you go. This is not so intense color, but I like this one. Okay. See that? Okay. Wow. They said this is last long. We'll see. Yeah, I know. I already probed it, but yeah, I'm just telling you. For those who didn't see my video previously before. Okay. There you go. Now I'm gonna contour my nose, of course. Okay. I'm using the NARS Laguna, the powder one. This one I'm using for my nose contouring. Okay. Just a little line to make your nose is pointed, even though it's not. Just a trick on the camera, right? And why not? I know there's a lot of filter that makes you already have a makeup on, but yeah, that's good. Instant or quick beauty. You don't have to work hard. I don't against those, but I like to enjoy doing this. Make my own creation. At least you know everybody looks good on Facebook and social media. Okay, you can see now. What do you guys think? I like that one. Okay, I'm happy with that. So next, I'm using this Hourglass, my face palette. Okay, yes, there you go. Yeah, I use this one. I'm supposed to use that one, right? Instead of Gucci, but it's okay. What I'm gonna use in this one is using my bronzer. This is adjustable from Technique. What is that? What's the name of it? I forgot. This is from Ulta. Okay, I'm gonna use this bronzer here just to warm it up more. The powders to lock in the cream, bronzer, or contour. Okay. And then I'm gonna use the highlighter on this. So the highlighter is this one. Let's try. See guys. Oh, it's so soft. I like it. It's not intense as I said because it's Sunday. Oh, look at that. You can tell, right? The glowiness on the tip of your nose, right here, the bridge of your nose, the cupid bow. And then I'm gonna switch my brush. I already have a little glow in there, but I'm still gonna use this. Ooh, look at that. Very soft glow. Ooh. Okay. So now I'm gonna use my concealer under my eye. Okay. So what I'm gonna use is this one. Oh. Okay. I might use I'm gonna combine those. This one is the Dior one. It's like a brush applicator. Just gonna use this area. This is okay. Just gonna use this one instead. Okay. I'm gonna leave it for a while, but before that, I'm gonna blend this more good. My contour nose. Make sure it's like it's not so obvious. Oh, all right. So that's all I use for the concealer right there. I don't have that much under eye discoloration. Just one like to brighten my under eye. Then I'm gonna blend it. Into the dimple. Okay. Wow, it's so glow. Okay, in this palette, there's a powder on it. This one. Blush. Contour. And this is a darker bronzer. And this is the bronzer. The highlighter I used earlier. A little bit lighter. So now, I'm gonna use my under eye powder. to lock in those concealer. See that the difference? This is still like looks wet, and this one is a little bit dry now because I put the powder and to brighten it. I should use this all face palette or this one. It's okay another time. I forgot about it. Okay, so there you go. So now I'm gonna put a highlight on my under the brow. I'm using this darker one right here. You can see the difference. Look. This is a soft glow, not intense. Here you go. Simple, elegant looking, guys. So, wow, I like that. Okay, I'm done with this. So, I'm gonna proceed my under the cheek. I have to lock in. I'm using this the Chanel loose powder because this is more on it. Okay, but I'm not gonna look just like that. And here the forehead too, so not so shiny in the bottom. Before that, after that, I'm still gonna put a little bit glow on the top the forehead for the highlighter, and here too. See that? Wow, it's so quick. See how it's quick and easy. So now I'm gonna put my brow gel using this. So stop here. Okay, this one, the Benefit brow gel. Okay, I'm gonna use my backup here. Oh my goodness, what the heck, man? Let's try that. Do it again. Press it, then follow the stroke of the hair. This one is kind of hard right there, but it's okay. You don't have to be too perfect though. No one will looking at you, staring at you. Oh, that's not even. Even that's fine. Consideration, please. There's nothing wrong to try. Trying is not a bad thing. Looking better is not a bad thing. Okay. What do you think? Is it even? Okay. I can move my eyebrows now. More. Okay. I'm gonna press it. And press it. Okay. Okay. What else? The next. I'm gonna put this away so not too much here in front of me so I don't drop it. Okay, let's put some stuff away. So what I'm gonna do next is to line my lip. Okay, I got this. I like to use my brown from one size. This one. Okay, let's put this away before I drop everything here. Okay guys, this one. I already put my lip balm, lip, oil. I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury after I'm done everything, after I wash my face and everything. This is one size from Patrick Star. He is a Filipino. He has a makeup line. He's a makeup artist, celebrity makeup artist in California. Okay, make it a little bit. I don't go all the way here, just like that. Just make. I know I have small lips, but it's okay. I just okay. I think pretty much okay. It's alright. And I'm just gonna use my. I got this Charlotte Tilbury. This is like a metallic. Oh my god! I don't know how to open now. What the heck? Just pull it. Okay, there you go. This color, guys. Brown, goldy, shimmer. Okay, let's try. See? What do you guys think? Oh, nice. Okay, exercise your mouth like that. Okay, I'm just playing. I think I'm done. Okay, so let's do that. Oh, I'm gonna spray my face now. And then my mascara. I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Setting Spray just to lock in your foundation, your makeup. Okay. I'm gonna buy some a fan that I can turn it on. Then just want to dry it. I don't put foundation on my neck because I don't want my clothes get dirty. I'm good with that. I just put cream, face cream, and then sunscreen. I was using the Statue one. Okay, now I'm gonna do my mascara. I got this. What is this one? From Benefit. Yeah, this kind. I like this applicator. Look, small applicator. It's not a lot. I don't like too much mascara. Alright, so let's try. Let's do it. Wiggle it. Then flip it up, wiggle it. Okay. Okay. What do you think, guys? Is that okay? It's okay, right? Okay, next, I'm gonna do my eyeliner. I'm just gonna use the Lancome one. This is like a golden brown. This kind right here. This is a twisted one. You don't have to sharpen this twisted one. So I'm gonna use that on my bottom eyelash. Okay. Okay, then I'm gonna put black eyeliner. I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury black. Okay, inner waterline. I know this is kind of a little bit scary. I just add up a little bit. Make sure eyes watery. I don't want to water my eyes because I already have my makeup, my eye makeup on. Just gonna make it slow but surely. As long as a little bit, you know, make your eyes darker. Okay, I'm good. I'm good to go. Last thing, you're gonna put the inner corner, the highlight to lighten more. Like that, see, sparkle. Can you notice that one right there? Okay, effect. Okay, so I'm done, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the video and share it with your friends who love beauty, makeup, and everything about beauty. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. Don't forget, comment below if you have any question. Share with your friends and follow or subscribe. It don't matter. And to continue for the next one. And you can request what's the next one. Alright, so bye. Thanks for watching. Have a good day and take care, guys. Love you. Bye.